Transform your 5th generation Ram 1500 into an absolute beast with Rough Country's 6-inch suspension lift kit. This all-inclusive kit comes with everything you need to give your truck an aggressive look and formidable stance that complements the revamped design and upgraded look of this rugged vehicle. Rough Country's 6-inch suspension lift gives you plenty of increased ground clearance for off-road action and enough additional ride height to run up to 37-inch tires for a head-turning look that's sure to command attention. Each kit features a set of high-quality front and rear crossmembers with a laser-cut RC logo, giving the truck a fierce but streamlined look after lifting. This kit includes a redesigned tie rod that's engineered to optimize turning and minimize bump steer while allowing you to fit a wider variety of wheels. Includes Rough Country's lifetime replacement guarantee. Visit roughcountry.com or an authorized Rough Country dealer to learn more.